Welcome back to Buy Smart, the only channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Because let's face it, nobody wants buyer's remorse as a souvenir. Today, we're diving into the steam-filled world of floor cleaning, where we'll be comparing the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop and the H2O MOP X5. Spoiler alert. One of these mops might just sweep you off your feet, or at least your floors. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Shark S5003D comes in at a wallet-friendly $129, with reviewers mentioning that it's a great value for its quality and effectiveness. Meanwhile, the H2O MOP X5 is a bit pricier at $169. Reviewers seem to think that if you want to save some cash, you might want to stick with the Shark. However, some users feel that the extra features of the H2O MOP X5 justify its higher price, making it feel like a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize versatility. Now, let's get functional. The Shark S5003D has a water tank capacity of 220 milliliters and 1200 watts of power, which many users find perfect for quick cleaning sprees. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness in cleaning tough stains. Meanwhile, the H2O MOP X5 boasts 1300 watts and a 5-in-1 functionality, allowing it to be used on floors, carpets, and even for steaming clothes. Some users rave about its versatility, while others have found it heavy and ineffective on certain surfaces. On the tech side, the Shark features Genius Head with direct steam channeling, which users find to be efficient for targeted cleaning. In contrast, the H2O MOP X5 has an all-in-one design that switches to handheld mode, making it a cleaning superhero. Reviewers appreciate the Shark's steam concierge-like features, while some users of the H2O MOP X5 have reported issues with build quality, suggesting that its versatility might come at the cost of durability. When it comes to pads, the Shark S5003D has double-sided dirt grip washable pads, which users find easy to use and effective. They love being able to flip it over when it's dirty, just like a pancake. The H2O MOP X5, on the other hand, comes with a microfiber floor pad and several accessories, which some reviewers appreciate for their effectiveness. However, others have mentioned concerns about the quality of materials used in the H2O MOP X5, indicating that it may not hold up over time. Overall, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop receives praise for its efficiency, ease of use, and affordability, making it a popular choice among users looking for a reliable cleaning tool. The H2O MOP X5, while versatile and equipped with various attachments, has received mixed feedback regarding its build quality and effectiveness on certain surfaces. So which mop takes the crown? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done without breaking the bank, the Shark S5003D is your guy. But if you want versatility and don't mind spending a little extra to clean everything around you, the H2O MOP X5 is ready to be your cleaning sidekick. In the end, whether you go with the Shark or the H2O, just remember, a clean floor is a happy floor. And a happy floor means fewer accidents when you're trying to dance like nobody's watching. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Which mop would you choose? Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.